Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today is our wrap-up session lecture. Open up your books, page number 24. Writing. Read this play about children having fun. You see a play over there? We are going to read out this play of children having fun. Let us see what this play says. You see there are different headings which are mentioned on the left hand side, like this one. Whenever you're going to start a play, you're always going to mention the title first. You're always going to start a play by giving it a title. For example, the title of this play is Our Fun Day. Then the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to give the list of the characters that are present in that play. For example, in this play the characters are Marco, Gina, Karen and Fred. Then the next thing that you are going to do is you are going to write what characters they do in this play. For example, in this play the four characters are sitting together in the center of the stage. Then the last thing that is required for this play is what characters they say. You're going to write down what characters are saying. For example, I'm going to read out this whole play for you. Marco: Hey everyone, what was your most fun day? Gina: Oh, that's easy. It was a party. We had a picnic lunch with lots of food. We had a strawberry cake. Then we played games in the yard all day. Gina pretends to kick a ball. What about you, Karen? Karen: My most fun day was when I went to my family reunion last summer. I saw all of my uncles, aunts and cousins. We played softball and volleyball together. Karen pretends to hit a ball with a bat. Fred: My most fun day was when I went fishing with my grandfather. We got in a small boat and I caught 6 fish. I put them all back in the water, but it was really fun. Fred pretends to be fishing. Marco: And my most fun day is today. All: Really, Marco? Why? Marco: I am with all of my best friends. That's the most fun day I can have. Everybody laughs. You see, that was a funny play, isn't it? Now, the next thing that we are going to do is, there are some questions which are mentioned in part B, as you can see. Now, you are supposed to pause this video, read out this whole play, Our Fun Day, by yourself and answer these following questions. I have solved this question for you as well. Let us match our answers. What did Gina eat at the party? A strawberry cake. Who did Karen play with at the family reunion? Her aunt, uncle, and cousins. Why is today Marco's most fun day? Because he is with his friends. Now what you have to do is, you have to write a play of 10 lines, only about sports day in my school. Your rules are, first thing that you're going to write is the name of the title, then the character's name, then what are characters doing, and the last rule is, what are they saying? Just the play that is mentioned in your book. You're going to read out that play, and then you're going to write down your own play on sports day in my school. That's all for today.